Renovations are an excellent way to increase the value of your home and make it more appealing to potential buyers. However, not all renovations are created equal, and some can be more costly than others. In this video, we'll be discussing renovations that can give you the best return on investment. 1. Kitchen upgrades. The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, and for a good reason. Upgrading your kitchen is one of the most effective ways to increase your home's value. Start with small upgrades like replacing outdated appliances or cabinet hardware. If your budget allows, consider a full kitchen remodel with new cabinets, countertops, and flooring. 2. Bathroom renovations. Bathrooms are another area of the home that can make or break a sale. Updating your bathrooms can increase your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. Consider replacing outdated fixtures and installing new tile or flooring. If you have a small bathroom, considering adding more storage space to increase its functionality. 3. Outdoor spaces. Outdoor spaces like patios and decks are becoming increasingly popular among homebuyers. Investing in an outdoor space can give you excellent return on investment. Consider adding a deck, patio, or outdoor kitchen to your backyard. If you have a pool, make sure it's in good condition and add landscaping to improve its visual appeal. 4. Energy efficient upgrades. Energy efficient upgrades not only save you money on your energy bills, but also appeal to buyers who want to reduce their carbon footprint. Consider installing energy efficient windows, upgrading your HVAC system, or adding insulation to your home. 5. Paint and flooring. Simple updates like painting and new flooring can make a significant impact on your home's value. Repainting your walls in a neutral color can make your home look fresh and clean. New flooring, such as hardwood or tile, can also improve the look of your home. Investing in home renovations can be an excellent way to increase the value of your home. However, it's important to be strategic with your renovations to get the best return on investment. Consider prioritizing renovations that appeal to potential buyers and make your home more functional and energy efficient. With the right renovations, you can increase your home's value and attract more potential buyers.
If you're interested in more tips like this, watch these videos and be sure and hit the subscribe button.